Hi guys, welcome to Daily Dose of Dividend. Today I'm gonna share with you a free portfolio tracker that I made. I think it's quite easy to use, but also has great functionality and a sleek design. What you need to do to start is to go to File, make a copy and save it down to your own Google Drive so you can edit the sheet. After you have done that, you go to edit in the light blue fields only, the rest will get automatically populated. And you can watch this brief walkthrough video, and it's the video we are recording right now. If we go to the tracker, it looks like this. And on the left, we can see a logo for the company. It makes it easy to see which position we are looking at. And then they have a 365-day stock chart, green if it's positive, red if negative. And then we have the 4 columns that we need to fill in. And those are the ticker, the sector, the amount of shares, and the average cost of them. Everything else gets populated by automatically pulled from finviz.com or the Google Finance API. So for example, here we have weight of the single position in your portfolio. So here we have 5% ExxonMobil. And yeah, this is just an example portfolio. And the price of Exxon today is $83.65. There you have the market value of the position, today's percentage and dollar change, the return of the position in dollars and percentage, the total dividend you will get paid annually, the dividend percent and dollar, the yield on cost, and the PE and average price over 200 days will also get pulled from finviz.com. On top, you can see totals. So the total market value of this portfolio is $46,500. And the total for today is minus 0.73%. And for example, the total dividends that you will get paid annually from this portfolio is $1,282. Of course, you can scroll the list, and I have made it so you can put up to 50 positions in the formulas. You can also sort it. So you go to sort, and it's really nice to sort the average price if you want to find dips. For example, we can see Exxon is trading quite high above its average price, while Starbucks seems to be in quite a dip. And that we can control by going to Yahoo Finance. So let's look at Exxon. And we should be able to see it's trading quite high above its average price. Yeah, average price $66, but it's now trading at almost 83.5. And if we go to Starbucks, it should be in quite the dip. Let's check. Yes, it is, sure is. So a price of $81 and the average price is about $107.50. Not strange with the unionization going on with Starbucks and the new CEO cancelling buyback programs. And of course with Exxon high oil prices, they are printing money right now. Hence the high valuation. And we can also control the data that is getting pulled correctly. So for example, we can look on Starbucks for the PE 21.98 and dividend 2.4%. So if we go to Finviz, we search Starbucks, we can see PE 21.98 and dividend 2.40%, which, yeah, looks perfect. And you can easily remove and add stocks. To remove a stock, you just go to a row and delete it. And if you want to add a position, you can go to copy and then you paste it below. And here, let's see, we want to add, insert a logo. We go to insert image in cell. And then we go to Google image search. And here, let's say we want to insert Walmart, maybe. Walmart logo. And we can go with the first one, usually okay. Yeah, looks great. And then we need just to fill in these 4 positions here. So Walmart is ticker WMT, I believe. Yes. And it's a consumer sector also. And let's say we bought 20 stocks at the price of 140 maybe. It's now trading at 155. We can see that everything else got automatically populated in here. When we can also check the totals. Let's say instead we bought 200 Walmart. You can see the return and the dividend rose up. But also let's say we made a quite bad deal and we bought it for 300. We can see we have of course a negative return overall. You can also track your portfolio and your dividend monthly, and I have made a data tab. And there is the year, the month, and also here you only need to fill in the light blue field. So each month you put in your portfolio value and the dividend received. And when you have done that, these nice graphs will pop up. So top left, we can see our portfolio over time. And top right, the dividends that's received each month. Bottom left, we can see the sector allocation of the portfolio. And on the bottom right, we can see the single positions, how they weight in the portfolio. And to check this, that they are dynamically updating also, we can go back to the data tab. And let's say on January, instead our portfolio was worth 172,000. We should see on the graph, of course, a nice spike in portfolio value on January 2021. Also, if you go to the tracker, we can see here that Walmart was 40% of our portfolio. But if we change it back, or even maybe just 10 shares, it's only 3% of our portfolio. And on the graphs here, we can see now Walmart being only 3% and not 40%. So that was it for today, guys. Hope you found this portfolio tracker helpful for you. I will leave a link in the description, and this is free for everyone to use. It's not gonna be behind any Patreon or other paywall. And yeah, have a great great day, guys, and see you next time. Bye.